How to earn money from TikTok, a comprehensive guide for creators. 1. Introduction, brief overview of TikTok's explosive growth and its appeal to content creators. Highlight the potential for individuals to turn their passion for creating videos into a source of income. 2. Building your TikTok presence. Emphasize the importance of consistently creating high-quality, engaging content. Tips for identifying your target audience and tailoring your content to resonate with them. Strategies for optimizing your profile, including choosing a catchy username, creating an attractive profile picture, and writing a compelling bio. 3. Leveraging TikTok's monetization features. Explain the TikTok Creator Fund and its role in compensating creators based on their video performance and engagement metrics. Provide guidance on how to qualify for the Creator Fund and maximize earnings through it. Discuss TikTok's Live Gifts feature, where viewers can purchase virtual gifts during live streams to support their favorite creators. Share tips for hosting engaging live streams and encouraging viewers to send gifts. 4. Exploring additional revenue streams. Introduce the concept of brand partnerships and sponsored content, where brands pay creators to promote their products or services. Offer advice on how to attract brand partnerships, including building a strong brand identity, demonstrating authenticity, and showcasing your audience engagement. Explore the option of selling merchandise or products directly to your TikTok audience, either through third-party platforms or by launching your own e-commerce store. Discuss the potential for affiliate marketing, where creators earn a commission for promoting products or services and driving sales through affiliate links. 5. Tips for success. Stress the importance of authenticity and staying true to your unique voice and style. Encourage creators to experiment with different types of content and engage with their audience. To understand what resonates best, recommend staying up to date with TikTok trends and leveraging them to increase visibility and engagement. Highlight the value of networking with other creators, collaborating on projects, and cross-promoting each other's content to reach a wider audience. 6. Conclusion. Summarize the key strategies discussed for earning money on TikTok. Encourage creators to take action and start implementing these strategies to monetize their TikTok presence. 7. Call to action. Invite viewers to like, comment, and share the video to help others discover it. Encourage them to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and resources on growing their presence and earning potential on TikTok.